Everyone knows that there is big money in crypto, but why does it have to be so confusing? RSI, volume, moving averages, Bollinger Bands? It feels like I have watched 1,000 hours of YouTube videos and I still don't know what I'm doing. If only there was a place where experienced traders could help me out and show me when to buy and when to sell. Anny.trade? Praise the crypto gods. What's up, Sumolings? It's Vanessa here with AppSumo, the #1 marketplace for forward-thinking investors. Today we're looking at Anny.trade, the only smart trading platform that will connect you to a network of successful traders. Just before we take a closer look, make sure to subscribe to AppSumo's YouTube channel so you stay up to date with all our best offers. All right, let's go. It's no secret. Crypto can make you helicopter to the grocery store rich, but trading crypto is also risky and crazy complicated. Enter Anny.trade. Anny is a smart assistant that will give you all the tools you need to trade crypto like a pro, including access to some of the top crypto experts on the platform. But more on that in just a sec, because I want to show you how easy it is to get started. Literally, just connect your favorite crypto exchange, jump over to the trades dashboard, allocate your investments, and define your strategy. If you get stuck, Anny also comes with tutorials to walk you through everything. Cool, huh? And speaking of walking you through everything, here's Anny.trade's golden taco. It's powerful social trading marketplace. Through the marketplace, you can link up with signal groups and trade managers who will do their best to help you make profitable trades. A signal group is like a little community where members share their strategies for profitable trading. A trade manager's kind of the same thing, but they will manage your positions for you. Both are great options. Your choice is just going to depend on how much time, knowledge, and risk you want to take on. And if you're going to be running your own trades, Anny's given you an extremely powerful feature that will minimize the time you spend buying, selling, and staring at charts. That feature is the bot, and it comes in 3 varieties: Notify, Invest, and Distribute. The Notify bot sends you alerts when your set conditions are met. So you can hop into Anny and open a smart trade with your own automation strategy. The Invest bot makes trades automatically when it sees an opportunity based on the parameters you gave it. And the Distribute bot lets other people in your signal group know that you spotted something potentially profitable. Scan for opportunity, execute trades, manage risk, take profits, rinse, and repeat. That's how you win. Anny is a super sophisticated software, so I don't have time to deep dive into everything it does, but if you want more info on how you can trade crypto like a pro, click on the link below. You'll have to hurry though, this deal's not gonna last much longer. Let's do it again. Bam, bam, bam. Anny.trade. Okay, let's do this.